Guys, it's Mrs. Oats here. Today we have the Breville Nespresso Vertuo Aerocinno machine that we will be unboxing and reviewing. We were just in need of a new coffee machine, and this one looks great. I've heard so many great reviews about it, so I thought we'd try it ourselves. It comes with the machine, it comes with the Aerocinno machine, and it comes with a few coffee pods, so we can try it right away. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. All right, let's get to unboxing. Alright, so we took it out of the box. This is the machine, very simple looking. It comes with the machine, the milk frother, which is called the Aerocinno, and it comes with all of these coffees to try. I am so excited. I don't even know which one I'm gonna pick first, but decisions. Alright, so we took it out of the box. We did run the cleaning mode. We took everything out, we cleaned them. I'm happy we did put it on the cleaning mode because there was a little bit of plastic and dust in the machine, so make sure you clean it before you use it for the first time. Alright, let's make a coffee. Get your coffee in, you just press it a little bit to the right. I will be trying the Bianco Leggero. Pretty sure I didn't say that right. I've never done this before. I hope I'm doing it correctly. Whoa. Lock it, press it once. This is where the coffee or the water goes in. This is where the empty pods go in. Press the button. Let's make a coffee. Alright, the coffee is done frothing. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Pour it in. You know what? I think I'm going to use a spoon and spoon it in. Get all the good fluffiness. Smell the steamed milk. A little stir. Let's try this. My first time ever trying an espresso coffee. I'm so excited. That's so strong. It was so delicious. Oh my god. All right, let's bring this to the backyard and we can do a little review. We really like the coffee machine and the coffee that it produces. I definitely can't wait to try more flavors out here in the morning while the kids are still sleeping. We bought our machine from Best Buy Canada. I do want to mention that this is not a sponsored video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and as Oats would say, catch you on the next one.